Hello, welcome everyone. I'm going to show here how I actually started to change library color. This can be really first of all to be depending on how we can start to see this situation that is already about to understand. So first of all, what you're gonna do is actually something is really hilarious about changing library color, which is about opening your library file. So what kind of library file is about through assets? I gonna add more libraries. Maybe okay. So what kind of this kind of library is talking about? I will start to publish file. Maybe we can go for this library and open it. And consider this kind of library is really this frame, and I gonna open it. Looks like a desktop frame for example. Now once you do that, you will start actually to double click and then start to go to the fill part, which is really on the panel right corner, which has design option, and then click on that one and then start to change the color like this, and that is all about.